I'm thinking to make a new batch of slime, and I'm going to make it blue, and of course I'm going to add glitter. So let's get started. But by the way, now I'm sitting in my garden and my garden looks pretty nice. So let's get on to this video. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm giving you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Have you subscribed? Thank you. And let's get on to this video.
The things you will need are camel paints, Ariel detergent, body lotion, it's optional, and the good old Fevicol. You will also need a mixing tool, a bowl and water. Now in half a glass of water, I am going to add half a scoop of Ariel detergent. Now I am going to mix it. Mix it well until it's dissolved. Now I have mixed it well and stored it in an empty squeezy bottle. Now in an empty bowl I am going to put Fevicol. Now I am going to add my paints. You can use any color, but here I am using blue. Now stir it well until it's mixed. Now I have mixed it. Now I am going to put my activator in. Don't add too much at a time, otherwise it will be rubbery. Adding the lotion now. Now mix it with my hands. Wow, it's so satisfying. So I'm going to take the slime out, and it's so good. See? But I'm thinking to add glitter in it. So I'll put a little bit of silver glitter. So now mix it. See?
Wow, it's awesome! So, this is how my slime turned out, and it's very squishy, very stretchy. and please give a comment down below that how well your slime turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And bye.